These viral AI DIY object making videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now and pulling an insane number of views. And I genuinely think this will take over whole social media right now. Now watch what I had created with free AI tools in just 2 minutes. Here is full method how you can create these for free. First, all you need is this prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy this prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Here, paste the prompt in the prompt box and hit enter. Then GPT will provide us 10 different DIY object names. We will simply choose any object by typing its number and hit enter. Then within seconds, GPT will provide us a detailed master video prompt with all the required setting. Now copy this master video prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Select your desired aspect ratio and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now click Generate. Wait a few seconds while Google Flow creates your DIY object making video. And here it is. Your video is ready. Take a look. You can create as many videos as you want using the master prompt I had provided. And if this video helped you, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.